There are 6 tax classes in Germany, and these tax classes determine the rate of income tax based on your marital status, your spousal income, and how many children you have. Married couples can specifically enjoy certain tax advantages because they can submit a joint tax return if they wish and benefit from the joint assessment. That way, you not only have less effort, but it can also be financially worthwhile, especially if the income difference between you and your partner is large. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ehsan. I'm a researcher, and on this channel we discuss business and personal finance in Germany. Every employee has to disclose their situation with the German authorities. Here many people fail to take advantage of the benefits given by the government. First, let's quickly go through the tax classes. Tax class number 1, singles, widowed, civil partnership, divorced, spouse living abroad, or legally separated. Tax class 2, single parents. Tax class 3, recently widowed or married with a significantly larger income than their spouse, both working in Germany. Tax class number 4, married, both spouses have a similar income. Tax class number 5, married with a significantly smaller income than the spouse. Tax class number 6, workers with multiple employments. Let's discuss how to optimize your tax brackets. If you are married, you can choose between tax class combinations. Which one is worth it depends on the distribution of your income. Couples automatically receive tax class 4 after their wedding, and an application does not have to be submitted for tax class change. This is worthwhile for couples who earn about the same amount. A tax return is not mandatory in this combination. However, you only receive any tax refund if you do them voluntarily anyway. Tax class 3-5 or 5-3. The partner with a higher income chooses the tax class 3 and the other tax class 5. The higher earner therefore has far fewer deductions and the larger net income salary. A tax return is therefore mandatory. If you're liking this video so far, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Let's do some calculations for optimum tax class selection. We go through 3 cases. In case number 1, both partners' salaries are nearly the same. In case 2, one partner earns significantly more than the other. And in tax class 3, only one partner has a job. Let's calculate the optimal income tax brackets for married couples. I will be using a tool from Steuer Tips, link in the description. In case 1, partner A is earning 42,000 euros a year before tax, and partner B is earning 45,000 euros. This makes a monthly 3,500 and 3,750 euros. In the tax class comparison, we can see that there isn't much difference among the tax contributions, but with the tax class combination 4-4, the pair can save more than 100 euros compared to the 3-5 combination. In case 2, partner A is earning 63,000 euros a year, while partner B is earning 25,000 euros. Again, making a monthly 5,250 and 2,083 euros respectively. Here, a wrong combination of tax class 3-5 can cost the pair more than 450 euros per year. So if you are in such a case, please select the combination properly and assign the tax class 3 with the higher earner. In case 3, only partner A is working and has a monthly income of 7,080 euros before taxes. Here again, the couple can save more than 1,000 euros compared to the incorrect 3-5 combination, and about 600 euros compared to the tax class combination 4-4. In addition to direct tax benefits of proper tax class selection, there are some indirect benefits as well. Optimize parental allowance. The calculations for many wage replacement benefits is linked to the net salary. This applies, for example, to parental allowance or unemployment benefits. By choosing the right tax class, you can directly influence the amount and generate a tax advantage. Remember, when calculating parental allowance, you must note that you must have changed your tax class at least 7 months before the birth of the child. Higher allowances. You have invested a lot of capital in investments, but your partner has not. Then you can benefit from higher savers allowance. This savers allowance is 800 euros for singles and is doubled for married couples, which can be divided freely. You can also use your partner's allowance and receive 1,602 euros in interest, dividends, etc. per year without having to pay withholding tax. From 2023, the lump sum saver allowance will increase from 1,000 euros for singles and to 2,000 euros for married couples. Expensive gifts. Expensive gifts for your partner should be postponed until after the wedding. Then you have an allowance of 500,000 at your disposal. Before your marriage, you can only give away up to 20,000 euros tax-free. Either way, if you can afford such expensive gifts, kudos to you. Inheritance. The same allowances as for gift tax also applies to inheritance tax. Also, keep in mind that unmarried couples are not recognized in legal succession. If there is no will, the partner gets nothing. Additionally, a will is highly recommended for married people as well. The perfect date from when you can use your tax advantages depends on the day of your wedding, and which is the best day from a tax point of view for your marriage. Well, if you get married on December 31st, you are considered married for tax purposes from the beginning of the year. This is probably also the reason why people get married comparatively often in the month of December. The situation is somewhat different when it comes to expats. So in this video, I discuss how expats can take advantage of changing their tax class after getting married and get a tax advantage for the whole year. So thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in this video.